Good morning, my dear students. This is Arul Murugan. Welcome to my digital class. Chapter name Logic Gates, Lecture Video, Part 4. Before entering today's lecture, we are going to revise a previous class lectures. Dear students, we know very well what is logic gate. A gate is simply an electronic circuit which accepts two or more input signals and produce only one output signal. The logic gate is also called logical circuit. There are two states, input and output will be either 0 or 1. We know that there are three types of basic gates are available. The first one is NOT gate. The NOT gate, which also called as a inverter gate. What is the output condition of NOT gate? The output always opposite of input. If we give 0, the output will be 1. If we give 1, the output will be 0. Then OR gate. What is OR gate? What is the output condition? If any of input is 1, then the output will be 1, otherwise 0. For example, if you take 0 plus 0, 0, because in the 0 plus 0 combination there is no 1. Next, 0 plus 1, 1. Then 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 plus 1, 1. All three combination in the input 1 is present. So the output will be 1. Understand? Then AND gate. What is the output condition of AND gate? When all input are 1, then the output will be 1. For example, 0 and 0 will be 0. 0 and 1 will be 0. 1 and 0 will be 0. Why? Because in above all the three combination, not all the inputs are 1. The final combination 1 and 1 will be 1. See, the last combination 1 and 1. So all the inputs are 1. Dear students, the three basic gates we studied very clearly in a previous class lecture. Now we are going to study derived gates. Dear students, what is derived gate? A derived gate is nothing but derived from basic gates. Derived from basic gates. There are four types of derived gates are available: NOR gate, AND gate, which means NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. Let me repeat: NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. These are all the four types of derived gates. Dear students, in today's lecture video, we are going to see first derived gate. What is the first derived gate? NOR gate. Yes, today we are going to discuss NOR gate. We will see. See, what is NOR gate in the sense? It is nothing but NOT plus R. NOT plus R is called NOR gate. NOT plus R is called NOR gate. Or we can call it as a inverted OR gate. Inverted OR gate. You can see the NOT is also called as a inverted. The NOT is also called as a inverted. Understand? Right. We can also define like this: an OR gate is always followed by NOT gate. An OR gate is always followed by NOT gate. The next point is common. The NOR gate has two or more input signal but only one output signal. This definition will applicable all the gates. So if you take any gates, the gate will accept two or more input signal and produce only one output signal. And the final point is, if all the inputs are 0, if all the inputs are 0, then the output signal will be 1. Then the output signal will be 1. This is the output condition. Dear students, what is NOR gate? And NOR gate is nothing but NOT plus R, or we can say inverted NOR gate. This means OR gate is always followed by NOT gate, which means OR gate is always followed by NOT gate. We will see a logical symbol. Dear students, we know that this is our logical diagram. This is our logical diagram, and this is not logical diagram. So according to the definition, you can see OR gate. OR gate is always followed by NOT gate. OR gate is always followed by NOT gate. So OR gate is always followed by NOT gate. So we can draw like this. This is called NOR gate. So if in examination, if they ask draw the logical diagram of NOR gate, means we have to draw this diagram only. Clear? OR gate, here one small oval, the oval is indicate that NOT. Understand? Right. This is 3 input NOR gate. If we give x, y, z, then the output will be x plus y plus z the whole complement, x plus y plus z the whole complement. In case in the 2 input, if we give a and b, what will be the output? A plus b the whole complement, a plus b the whole complement. Assume that if I am giving input a, b, c, if I give input a, b, c, then what will be the output? A plus b plus c the whole complement. Understand? Right. We will see the truth table, then you will understand. Dear students, now we are going to see first OR truth table. You can see x, y, x plus y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This OR logic, we already know that any input is 1, then the output will be 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we have to take complement for this output, which means x plus y the whole complement. Now you can see 0 complement 1, 1 complement 0, 1 complement 0, 1 complement 0. This is the output of this NOR gate. You can see 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 0. Understand? So too simple to understand the NOR gate. How we can understand? First we have to take OR operation. So x plus y, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. Now we have to take the complement of x plus y the whole complement. You can see x plus y the whole complement. 0 complement 1, 1 complement 0, 1 complement 0, 1 complement 0. So this is how to draw the truth table for NOR gate. Understand? Right. Next, this is truth table for 3 input. See, too simple. 0 0 0, what will be the output in OR gate? First we will see OR gate, x plus y plus z. Here we will check 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 only output will come. Next 0 0 1, 1 will output come. You can see remaining all the input, all are 1 present. So 1 1 1 1 1, in all the output we will have 1. Now we have to take the complement of x plus y plus z. 0 complement 1, again 1 complement 0 0 0 0 0. In all other cases are 0. Dear students, NOR gate is too simple. First we have to find the OR, then we have to take the complement of OR. This is what we saw in the logical diagram. First we have to find the OR, then we have to take the complement for the output, then we will get the NOR gate. Understand? Right. What is the output condition? Dear students, when all the inputs are 0, when all the inputs are 0, then the output will be 1. So if you keep it in your mind, this output condition, then easily you can write the truth table. See, I am giving 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In this combination, directly you can see when all the inputs are 0, when all the inputs are 0, you can see 0, 0. Then what is the output? When all the inputs are 0, then the output will be 1. Otherwise 0, otherwise 0. Too simple now? It is very easy to understand. The same logic you can apply here also. When all the inputs are 0, the output will be 1. Otherwise 0, 0, 0, 0. Understand? Right. My dear students, I am going to conclude this session by giving summary. What is NOR gate? NOR gate means OR gate is always followed by NOT gate. OR gate is always followed by NOT gate. If all the inputs are 0, then the output will be 1. If all the inputs are 0, then the output will be 1. Understand? This is a logical diagram. First we have to draw the OR gate symbol, then AND gate. Here we are combined here. How? OR gate, then oval. So this is called NOR gate. This is called NOR gate. Next, this is 3 input NOR gate symbol. If you give A, B, C as a input, if we give A, B, C as a input, then we will get A plus B plus C the whole complement. Next, this is truth table for 2 input signal. So according to the output condition, when all the inputs are 0, when all the inputs are 0, if all the inputs are 0, then the output will be 1, otherwise 0, otherwise 0. Here in 3 input also, you can see when all the inputs are 0, then the output will be 1, otherwise 0. My dear students, this is very easy and simple to understand. Clear? You have to remember the output condition for the NOR gate. What is the output condition? If all the inputs are 0, then the output signal will be 1. Then the output signal will be 1. Dear students, this is purely concept oriented topic. You no need to mug up, or you no need to remember nothing. You have to understand the concept very clearly. Then you can answer very easily. Clear? So don't try to mug up this chapter, because it is purely concept oriented chapter. Clear? My dear students, watch this video one more time. Still, if you have any doubt, feel free to call or message me. Thank you. Thank you very much. We will see next class with some other topic. Thank you.